Alright, hello again, and this is a tutorial to show you how to copy paste a previous listing so you can edit it and create a new listing on Excel sheets. So first of all, what you will need is to access to these Excel sheets via Google Drive, which you have already access to. Then, the first step to do is to scroll up so you can get to this model line here, which is line number 6. Then you click on number 6 and you copy, Control C. Afterwards, you will scroll down or come here and scroll down manually to the last line. For example, here 211, you click on 211 and you paste it, or you click on Control V, and here we go. Then you start filling, for example, BOO for GJY 700. Then, Amazon ASIN, eBay as well, I don't know, as an example, product keyword. Then you put your name initials here, is a key. SEO, you need to have it always empty here. Listing number is by default 3. You put a listing date, for example, the 3 of June 2018. Listing status is 0%, or you put it to 10% since you just started it. Then here you take the original price from Amazon, for example $3.99, and ad cut is always 10% here. Set on 10%. Be careful here. Insertion fee €0. Final price cut is 8%. Final price cut, this is a formula, you don't want to touch it. eBay total fee, a formula, you don't want to touch it. eBay total percentage from final price is as well a formula. On PayPal category, you have the transaction fee here, 0.35. Final price cut percent, you need to check if it's 3.4. Final price cut is a formula, you don't need to check it. PayPal total fee, formula. PayPal total percentage from final price is a formula as well. You need to come here, check the margin. If it's negative, you come back here and you change the target sell price. For example here, let's set $9.99. We can see we move to 88%, then we come back here, we change it to $6.99. Here we go, 28.93%, and the margin is €115. Logistic fees, you don't want to touch this one. Logistic cut is a formula, you don't touch it. Taxes are not for you yet. Here on Delaware, DSM tool, this is the break-even percentage, which is a formula as well. Break-even is a formula. So everything which is a formula is basically something not for you at the moment. So what you need to do right now is to take the margin in euro, to take the break-even in percentage here, to plot them on DSM, and to control the target sell price here. So to remember, always check the listing status at the end. You want to have it at 100% when you finish listing, so that the person after you can know that the listing was done and the SEO work can start. Afterwards, you need to check that you sponsored the item here with 10%, and you need to check eBay category so it can stay at €0 here and 8% here. PayPal fees 35 cents here and 3.4% here, and you control your margins so you can have a decent margin here, and we will try to discuss this in a different video. And you take the break-even percentage here so you can plot it on DSM. I hope that this video was useful, so don't forget to take all the time the line from the model line, which is number 6, copy, and you paste it by the end of this chart. What you can do as well is to paste it several times so you can prepare your sheet. Here we go. You left click on the number and Control V. Left click, Control V, left click, Control V. So you prepare your working sheet before to start work. So if you want to come back, don't forget Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z to come back. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. And if you want to delete a line, you right click and you click on effacer la ligne, delete the line. Right click, delete the line. Here we go. And it's all done. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next video.